Good.
Oh my god.
So cute. He's really big as well, isn't he?
I know. Found him hiding in the grass.
His legs are really strong. You sure you don't want to touch him? He's not slimy at all. He's really, really soft.
No, it's fine. It's fine.
Look at it. Can you see his eyes?
Yeah, we can see his eyes, can't we? Okay, let's go find some water.
Let's go put him down by the stream, shall we?
Yeah. Are we going to put him down here? Or should we wait for the stream?
Down here. No, let him go over here.
Careful. Bye-bye, Toadie.
Let's take a close-up look. Is he a toad or a frog?
The
He's a toad.
Oh, we saw his little mouth move. This little croaky thing. Nice life, Toadie. Yep, there we go. Why are you putting him in grass? Oh, he doesn't want to go.
He can decide where to go and hide himself.
Okay. Bye, Toadie. You want to say bye? Rescuing the toad. It's a good thing to do. If you see a toad like that in your garden, or a frog, or any kind of animal, rescue it and put it in its habitat. Save the world.